Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us today. We're thrilled to have you here as we explore a variety of exterior designs that can transform any simple story house into a stunning home. From modern minimalism to cozy cottages, each style has its own unique charm and can be tailored to fit your personal taste. Before we dive into the designs, we'd like to remind you to hit that like button if you enjoy the content. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring videos like this one. Your support helps us create even more amazing content for you. So, let's jump right in and discover some fantastic design ideas. Modern Minimalist. The modern minimalist design emphasizes simplicity and functionality. It often features materials such as smooth stucco or wood siding, complemented by large glass windows that invite natural light. The color palette typically consists of neutral tones like white, gray, and black, creating a clean and sophisticated look. This style often incorporates a flat roof and open spaces, with minimal decorative elements, making it an ideal choice for those who appreciate a sleek and contemporary aesthetic. Contemporary Farmhouse. The contemporary farmhouse blends rustic charm with modern elements. It typically showcases a combination of materials, including a metal roof and wooden siding, often painted in white with striking black accents. This design usually incorporates a wide front porch, large windows that promote openness, and a mix of textures that add visual interest. The contemporary farmhouse is a great option for those who desire a blend of traditional warmth and modern convenience. Coastal Style. Coastal-style homes are designed to reflect the serene beauty of the seaside. They often feature light wood or vinyl siding and are typically raised on foundations to accommodate flooding concerns. The color palette is inspired by nature, with light blues, whites, and sandy beige that evoke a beachy vibe. Large decks and open spaces are common, along with nautical decor that enhances the coastal feel, making it an ideal retreat for those who love the ocean. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you found inspiration in the exterior designs we shared today. Your support means the world to us, so if you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We appreciate you being part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.